topic is rounding the numbers. Rounding the numbers. Look at the topic. Rounding the numbers mean we have to decrease the numbers. Sometimes it happens in some measurements, some observers or some scientists require not the huge quantity of numbers, only small quantities of number they require. So according to their requirement, they tell us into how many significant numbers we have to round the number off. Into how many significant number we have to round the numbers off. So there are some rules. I will explain to you these rules with the help of examples. Suppose there is a number like 1.943. 1.943. 1.943, and the examiner or the person who is asking us round this number to three significant figures. He will ask you to round this number into three significant numbers. You have to round it into three significant numbers. So remember, if you have to round the number into three significant figures or three significant numbers, then you have to look at the fourth number. Look at the fourth number. Like here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Look at the fourth number. If fourth number is less than 5, then you can drop it off. If the fourth number is less than 5, then you skip this and you will write 1.94, and you will not write 3 because 3 is less than 5. So this is the first rule. If the number is less than 5, then we skip that number, we drop that number, and we will get the number in three significant figures. Now you can see 1.94 is in three significant numbers. Suppose if there is some bigger number like so it means one rule, it has become one rule. If the number is less than 5, if the number is less than 5, then drop that number. Now second rule can be made from here. If the number is larger than 5, then you have to add one number in the left side of the number. Like for example, take this example, 1.94 suppose 7, and you are also again asked to round this number into three significant figures. Again you have to round this into three significant figures or see three significant numbers. Now look at again, what I told you in the beginning. If you have to drop the number into three significant figures, then look at the fourth place digit. Look at the fourth place digit is 7. Now 7 is bigger than 5. Is bigger than 5. Now it is bigger than 5. If it is bigger than 5, then you will have to add 1 in this previous number 4. 1.95. Now I have added plus 1 in this number because 7 is bigger than 5. Note in the previous example, 3 was less than 5. It was less than 5. It is less than 5. So that's why I have dropped it and get our answer into three significant figures or three significant numbers. 1.94. Here the number is bigger than 5. So if the number is bigger than 5, then you have to add one number in the previous number, in the preceding number, and will get the required answer. So this is the required answer in three significant numbers, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now third rule. Sometimes it happens that a number comes 5 equal to 5 and no number is ahead. For example, number is 1.35. Now what will we do? Because now you have been asked to round this number into two significant figures. Two significant figures. So what will you do? So clearly these are three significant figures, three significant numbers. So if we have to drop into two significant figures, then we look at the last digit. Last digit is equal to 5, not less than, not more than 5. If it is equal to 5, then make a thing in your mind. Remember this, if it is equal to 5, then you have to round it off into even numbers. Like 3 is, if we add 1 in 3, it becomes even number. So I will round it like 1.4, because we have to add 1 to make it even number. So it is one rule. Now suppose one more example. If there is 1.45, and question is same. Round this number into two significant figures. Now look at number which is ending is 5, but if I add the 1, the number will become even number 5. So I will not round it. I will write it is as it is 1.4, because 4 is already an even number. So remember that whenever the last digit is equal to 5, you have to think that the number, when you are rounding the number, if you want to add, then to check if the number becomes even number, then you can add. If the number does not become even number, then leave as it is. Like here 5, I have to make it even number, I added 1, but here already 4 is even number, I will not add any number. So these are the three rules. Okay, now just in Urdu shortly, राउंडिंग द नंबर का मतलब होता है कि प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में कुछ साइंटिस्ट या कुछ ऑब्जर्वर जो होते हैं, उनको अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट के लिहाज से नंबरों की ज़रूरत होती है. कुछ नंबर बहुत ज़्यादा नंबर होते हैं, तो वो कहते हैं कि इसको 2 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स में या 3 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स में राउंड करो. तो उसको राउंड करने के लिए हमने देखना होता है. अब ये फर्स्ट करें कि ये पहली एग्जांपल 1.943, अगर आपको कहा गया है कि इसको 3 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स में राउंड करो, तो आपने ये देखना है फोर्थ प्लेस में नंबर कौन सा है. अगर 3 में कहा गया है तो फोर्थ प्लेस में नंबर को देखो. फोर्थ प्लेस में अगर नंबर 5 से लेस है, 5 से छोटा है, तो इसको ख़त्म कर देंगे, ये तीनों नंबर आ जाएंगे, तो ये हमारे 3 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, तब्दील हो जाएगा. इस तरह से अगर ये लास्ट वाला नंबर, इसी क्वेश्चन को अगर हम यूँ करते हैं, लास्ट वाला नंबर अब मैंने क्या किया 7, जो कि 5 से बड़ा है. अगर ये 5 से बड़ा होगा तो साथ वाले में 1 प्लस कर देंगे. सिंपल रूल है. यानी अगर लास्ट नंबर जो है वो 5 से लेस होगा तो उसको ख़त्म कर देंगे. अगर लास्ट नंबर 5 से बड़ा होगा तो उसके पीछे वाले नंबर में, जो कि प्रीसीडिंग नंबर है, उसमें 1 प्लस कर देंगे और अपना हम रिक्वायर्ड आंसर हासिल कर लेंगे. और एक और रूल जो कि बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. अब देखो कुछ क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आते हैं कि जैसे 1.35 में क्वेश्चन आ गया, आपको कहा गया कि इसको 2 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स में कन्वर्ट करो, 2 सिग्निफिकेंट नंबर में इसको चेंज करो. तो आपने देखना है कि लास्ट नंबर 5 है, इसके आगे कोई नंबर नहीं है. अब आपने जो इसके पीछे वाला है उसमें आप 1 प्लस करेंगे ना, क्योंकि अगर 5 है, आपने +1 करते वक्त ये देखना है कि जब आप 1 प्लस करेंगे तो क्या ये इवन नंबर बनता है. अब मैंने +1 किया तो ये इवन नंबर बन गया. इसका मतलब कि मैं 2 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर में इसको 1.4 में राउंड ऑफ कर दूंगा. लेकिन आप इसी के एग्जांपल को देखें, 1.45 एंड वाला नंबर 5 है. क्वेश्चन वही है कि आपने 2 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर में कन्वर्ट करना है. लेकिन अगर मैं इसमें 1 प्लस करूंगा वो 5 बन जाएगा, जो कि ऑड नंबर है. लेकिन जब 5 एंड पे ख़त्म हो रहा होगा तो हमेशा नंबर को इवन में ही आपने राउंड करना है. इसलिए मैं इसमें 1 ऐड नहीं करूंगा, ये वैसे के वैसे राउंड हो जाएगा और ये आंसर आ जाएगा. तो ये हमारा आज का टॉपिक था.